It's El Duro behind the scene. Yeah, baby.
Getting a movie on here. Shooting a movie.
Shooting a movie. Say hi. Behind the scenes of Kevin El Duro doing reels. Oh shit, he William.
I hope he fucking fall. Caught one of them big ass boulders in my EK hatch. Oh, totaled it, bro. Totaled it. I somehow made it off the mountain too.
That's crazy. I can't get it on video, but. Alright, what's going on, everybody? Back with another video. Today I'm gonna bring Layla out, find a few spots to take some photos, take some pictures, and more than likely meet up with Kev and Jerry also, just to have some fun with some pictures and stuff. That's mostly really the focus for today, to be honest. I really want to learn how to do rolling shots. That's what I really want to do. I'm gonna bring her out, gonna drive down to New Haven, find a few spots, some industrial spots. I put some shots in each spot that I went to. I really do love doing this. This shit is fun. All right, so in New Haven now. I'm over here at I forgot exactly where the spot at. I don't know the exact name of it, but it's like an industrial area. So we're here, Layla's here, and try to get some shots with some stuff that I learned online, and hopefully they come out good. Not every shot is good, but the few that do come out is good. Let me set this ISO to because this is coming out way too bright. Way too bright. Alright, so it was kind of tough to get the car lined up with the line. But I kind of had to like rush that anyways. But pictures still came out good. I put them right here. So right now I'm a little further down the street. I'm a little further down the street right now, over at this gate, trying to see what kind of shots I can get from here. I'm just going from spot to spot right now. So if you guys liking this video, leave a like, man. Alright, so I'm over here at Sports Haven, as you guys can see in the background. I'm over here at Sports Haven, about to try and take a couple pics here and work on my camera skills, my photography skills, which I'm doing pretty good. I had to leave from over there because the security guard kept on rolling up, telling me I gotta move from this spot. I could go over to this spot, then tell me that his boss told me I gotta leave from there, and the next day I just decided to say fuck it, I just left the whole area. So now I'm over here about to try and take pics and see how these turn out also as well. So let me get to it, and I'll show you guys how it came out. It came out pretty good. Well, a lot of them didn't come out too good, but I finally got the settings down packed. That's the security guard right there that kept making me leave. These are the shots that I got so far. I'm trying to figure out another spot. I think there might be one more that I can try, which is further down the street. It's like an open parking lot, so I'm gonna try that. I'm really trying to take this photography thing serious, and you know, within like 3 weeks of doing this, I've been doing very, very well, very, very well. Just by watching a shit ton of YouTube tutorial videos on how to do certain things. Next thing I'm trying to learn how to do is do rolling shots. It's kind of tricky. Right now I'm on my 4th lens. I'm trying to get my 5th one, which is a 35mm. But let me try and get to the next spot down the street, and let's see how these shots come out also. All right, so at the next spot over here, little open lot. Try to get some decent industrial spots. But I'm still learning the whole triangle thing, the f-stop, the ISO, shutter speed. Trying to get the everything down packed so I know exactly how to do certain things when, like, you know, the lighting is different. All right, so these are the shots I got right here on East and Chapel. Pictures came out pretty cool. I think I'm gonna try to find one more spot. I'm not exactly sure where that spot would be at, but I'm having fun. This photography thing is really, really fun. So I'm gonna see if I can try to find one more spot. I just don't know exactly where. This is pretty much the 4th spot behind Hamel. I can't even fucking read. I'm gonna also switch to my Canon EOS 60D with the 50mm. It goes down to a 1.8 aperture. All right, so I think that's it for now. I showed a couple shots that I did get, which I put right here. About to head back to the garage, put her up, and get ready to head out for later on today. I'm gonna try and get a reflection shot. A reflection shot is pretty much, you know, self-explanatory. It's the reflection of the car with the water, so, and see how it turns out.
Electrolytes. That shit don't say electrolytes. I thought it did. But it sure is good.
Good as hell.
Oh,
About to feed the dogs. Man, what type of bark was that?
This nigga sound like a dying dog.
Like I caught myself. I was like, what type of bark was that?
put him to
Nigga
sleep.
sound like a nigga sound like a Dutch Wawa.
It's lunchtime.
Damn.
I was trying to say that spot where I was at, that industrial spot. But that security guard, he gonna fucking bother us. Damn New Haven streets, bro. The New Haven streets.
Dang, what happened?
I had to be from those fucking potholes. The screw fucking backed up.
You got screws on the bottom?
Yeah, on the bottom, yeah.
Oh, then, yeah.
There's always something wrong with one of our cars when we out for a while.
I ain't even gonna say anything.
Huh?
I ain't even gonna say anything.
Let me turn the wheel.
Cut the head?
Good looks, Jerry, my brother.
You're welcome.
Anytime you're welcome. You're welcome. Alright, so we over here at East Rock. Ah, shit, I left the microphone. I forgot the shit's in the bag. I'm pretty sure it can still pick up the audio.
I doubt it. Getting a movie on. Shooting a movie.
Shooting a movie. Got a tutorial going on with Kev, trying to show us how to make a reel.
That right here.
Got Sonic the Hedgehog right here.
Running around, fucking up.
Fucking up everything. Say hi, Marcel.
There we go.
Say hi. Oh shit, he willing.
I hope he fucking fall.
Damn, fucking time. I'm fat. I need to go run with the fat bitches.
He's like El Duro style. Yeah, this is nice, man. You know when you come here early in the morning, like early on a
Yeah,
Sunday,
6.
and have the whole mountain.
Hell yeah, true.
I want to do some toge shit through here. I really do. It's gonna be shit. I crashed up here.
For real?
Yeah, I did. Doing some damn stupid ass toge
Like the
shit.
same shit you was doing on the way here?
Nah.
You was...
Oh yeah,
What
swerving.
this nigga doing?
I was heating the tires up.
Put some
But
heat on the
nah,
tires.
I was coming around the same corner and this shit goes like this and then it goes like that and then it goes right. When I went right, I hit a patch of leaves and caught one of them big ass boulders in my EK hatch. Oh, totaled it, bro. Totaled it. I somehow made it off the mountain too.
That's crazy. I can't get it on video, but
You can get me smiling.
yeah.
Yeah. I was talking about the car though.
Yeah, okay.
Fuck you. I'm talking about smash.
Everybody saw the girl run by and they're like, Alright, y'all, so back at the garage, had a real good day. Had a good day with Kev and Jerry. You guys can see the picture that came out. They came out pretty damn good. See, I'm having a fun time with this photography thing. You see, I put the settings in on the pictures, when I took the pictures, I put the settings that I had with ISO to aperture. Aperture is pretty much the f-stop, so like the lower the number, the more light comes in. The higher the number, the darker it gets, so the less lights come in. So no, I didn't drop mechanics to do photography. I just pretty much dropped the racing aspect of building my car for photography, because this shit's way more fun. And just want to be able to drive the car. I just want to enjoy the car, to be honest. That's it. Plans for Layla is pretty much get the paint and body work done. I'm not trying to look for more power right now. I wanted to do a head package and some cams and try to hit at least like 270-ish around there, but 246, that's just rounded up to 250. That's perfectly fine with me. Well, as of right now, I just want to get the paint and body work done, get the body completely straight. You guys see all the gaps and stuff. How that bumper over there got a screw in it because there's no tab on the quarter panel. Pretty much getting everything that I possibly need. I also picked up a 2001 rear bumper. You know how the bumper on that side is, it kind of sagged because the bracket is like rotted out or whatever. You see here, this is from when the car was sitting in my mother's backyard for like a year, putting the car together, the squirrel chucking nuts on the damn panel. See the quarter panel, gone, screw in there. I didn't want to do that, but I kind of had no choice. If not, bumper would just be dragging. I had no way for that bumper to stay up there. This right here on the body, and then this right here for the antenna. I was like cracking or whatever right here. I'm gonna close the video out here. Hope you guys like it. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Shout out to my boy Jerry. Shout out to my boy Kev. You know, we had a good time, had some fun, took some pictures. Try to make a reel. I can't make a reel to save my life, so Kev had to take over that department. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.